Our first outing. Carol is on it with the agenda. What do we have? Beach pub, trekking, waterfall. We have a free day there. And this is our first dinner out. I'm knackered and sleep deprived. But it's okay. Yeah, we could have a shot. We could have a what? Think about it. Okay. What's market? We could go to the market. Well, we can also put this here so that if we are late or drinking here, we don't have to get up early here. If we're doing, if we would,
you mean swap these 2 days?
yeah, if we would be doing something calmer here, well, we can do this as interchangeable.
Oh, we're here.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Where are we?
Yeah,
We've arrived.
beautiful place, yeah. 40 visit.
Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that huge statue.
Okay.
Where are we, Carol?
Cretya.
Yeah, Cretya, yeah. This
There's also like the huge swing.
We were catching the light from the window. Looking up, you were driving slow. I can see through it all with my eyes closed. We were never meant to be alone. There was a part of me that couldn't let go. Needed remembering I'm not on my own. Ooh, I'll go where you go. Knocks on my window. Let's keep it simple.
This is where we are. Cretya Beach Club. Day 1.
Trying to keep my cast off the water.
Yeah, this is our first stop in Bali. Beach Club. Carol is content. What's seats! Yay! How fun! Whoa! How fun!
I feel so happy. Life's good.
We found the waterfalls. First one on the list. Day 2 in Bali. What's the plan, Carol?
3 waterfalls.
3 waterfalls in a row.
If we can.
Taking photos, content Carol. How do they know that you are content Carol?
They can just feel it coming off me.
Feel it. They know who to ask.
What are they doing?
We found another baby waterfall. We're gonna try to climb it. Or maybe I'll... My shoes. Should I leave them? Ah! Ew! Okay, I'll leave my shoes.
Sometimes I play it safe, and you can see it. It's easy for me to show, but sometimes I'm really brave, and that just means that I'll try again tomorrow. It's my dark created mountains where the valleys used to be. Gotta change perspective if I really wanna see that sunrise over the water. I swam over and under, get lost in all the wonder, never call it quits, no. When life hit me apart, I went faster, farther. I just gotta remember I was made for this. I was made for this.
My parents always used to say it's like you don't eat, if you eat a lot of sweets, you have sweet blood. We're on our lunch break after the waterfalls. We are having, this is my first time having a coconut. Is it nice?
Have you had it?
Well, yeah. But do you like the actual,
The flesh?
the flesh?
Yeah.
It's slimy.
Oh, baby, baby. I really can't focus on anything else.
Other than?
My itchy and
Now for the gram.
I can't even smile.
So I'm guessing you're in a worse mood now. Is it the bike after the waterfall?
But in general, like,
Yeah.
check, 1, 2.
Day 3! This time we didn't take a taxi from our hotel, but we're walking like locals.
Yeah, so local as you can tell.
Yeah, and we are checking out a different waterfall. Ooh, building houses. They look quite decent. All the bamboo. You can tell we're in Bali.
It always smells like something's burning.
Yeah, these are nice streets. Look at the house. That's a fancy villa. This is some luxurious area. How has your Bali experience been so far? It's only day 3.
Very good. Only downside is my legs.
Oh yeah.
Literally rather not have limbs.
She's been
Itchy. I've been attacked.
attacked by mosquitoes.
I've been absolutely violated by mosquitoes.
When I was in bed yesterday, I was like, did I do uni work today? Was it all today? Like, it seems so like spread out. But first days of holidays are always like that. They seem so long. We've done so much, and then it gets worse. Then it gets quicker, faster.
We're basically at the halfway point.
Not yet. 2 more days until we're halfway.
Well, the last day is just traveling, so it doesn't count.
This is coconuts. I see it.
This is my go-to pose.
Okay, do at the same time. 3, 2, 1. This is coconut. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Carol! Carol's gonna cross. What's wrong? How are you gonna get up? CrossFit! This is definitely a waterfall where it's not that many tourists. Now it's my turn. I'm gonna do it for the gram.
It stopped in place. Got a path to the line. Tell me, do you want to cross that bridge? Saying it's about time. All in love, lost in the summer. Jump right into the pool of your eyes. I don't wanna keep you away. No, I gotta make you mine. Got a path to the line. Tell me, do you want to jump right into the rest of my. Let's talk it out and fly away. Now you got me dreaming. It's not about where we are today. Future rolls and meaning. Got a path to the line. Tell me, do you want
We can tag here.
all in love, lost in the sun.
Take on the jungle.
Into the pool of your eyes. I don't wanna keep you away. No, I gotta make you mine. Got a path to
There's a cigarette in this mouth.
tell me, do you want to jump right into the rest of my life?
Well, it's gonna be those two. How was it, Carol?
Unreal.
Unreal. We both got in there. I got in there with my arm. Yeah, and it was so nice. Because there's no one. It doesn't feel like touristy. Like yesterday I felt like it's not that special.
Yeah.
But here I feel like we're part of the nature.
So we're almost not gonna come.
Yeah.
And what, like 15-minute walk from our place.
Yes, we walked here. We are like part of
Locals.
Bali. Part of Bali.